Hello, hi everyone. Please come online. Hello, hi Bindu ma'am. Good afternoon. Hi Niyati. Good afternoon. Hi Kensi. How are you? Good afternoon. So today I'm going to teach you crackle effect. Okay, how to do an crackle effect, and the thing is I'll also teach you how to do decoupage today. Okay, I'll also teach you decoupaging. Okay. So you're interested in knowing how to do decoupage with crackle effect? So I hope you all have taken printouts, right? So you all have taken printouts. See, this one I took 3 printouts to show you. This way you need to take a printout. See this one. Everything is okay, right? I am audible. My voice is clear, and my workplace is clear, right? Please let me know if there is any problem. I'll set my camera and I'll speak loudly. Is everything okay? Okay, thank you, Kenzie. So see, this is how we need to take printout. Okay, see, see. Good, good afternoon, Pavan. Is this Pavan, Shravani ma'am, or Prudvi? See, in this way we need to take printouts. Okay, I have just taken 3 printouts to show you how to take a printout. See, so uh, this is 5 by 6 size in printout. Okay, so today I'll be teaching you two two things, this one and this one. I'll teach you both. Okay, I'll teach you both, this one and this one. I'll teach you. If anyone want to do this one also, Pavan, hi Pavan, good afternoon. So this one anyone want to do, they can do. Okay, so I'll just say the materials required. By the time uh, let us see if more people will join or no. So the materials required are acrylic colors, Fevicol, MRs, and actually I am using this Mod Podge. Everyone is asking me instead of Mod Podge what we can use. You can use Fevicol instead of Mod Podge. Okay, you can just dilute this Fevicol, a little bit of water you can add into Fevicol, and you can use as Mod Podge. Okay, but Mod Podge is more effective, but it serves nearly to the this Fevicol serves nearly to the Mod Podge only. No problem. You can use this Fevicol as Mod Podge also. Okay. And I'll take some brushes, water and waste cloth. Okay, so the size of canvas I'm using is 8 by 10. Let us start. Only 3 people are watching. Where are other people? And a mixing plate. I have taken mixing plate also. See, this is the canvas I am using, 18 to 10. Okay. Okay then. Uh, so I'll wait for few more minutes, uh, so that other people will also join, or no, I'll see. Please send in the group that class has started, and please join. You people will love doing this. I'll also teach the decoupage, how to do decoupage also today. So if you want, I'll take another class for decoupage, no problem, but I'll just do decoupage on this. If anyone are interested for decoupage class, you can just ask me. I'll take a class for that also. Video is not clear. I think there is a network issue. Please wait for 2 seconds or 2 minutes. It will be okay by its own. Please let me know when the video is clear. I'll start the work. Please let me know if the video is clear. I'll start the work. Sure, can see for you. I'll definitely teach decoupage. A class I'll take if you want. Video is clear? Okay, fine. I'll start now. So see, I have painted green color. See which green I have painted. Sap green. You can use any kind of green your wish, or any color, that's your wish. Which color you want to paint, you can paint. See, you need to paint in an horizontal direction. I'll show you. Just take the color and just take the color and paint in horizontal direction, in this way. Horizontal direction. And this way you need to paint whole canvas. Okay, Niyati, thank you. Decoupage, I'll explain about decoupage. I'll just start crackle effect now. I'll explain what is decoupage also. Okay, thank you, Niyati. So here you need to just apply the color in horizontal direction. The whole canvas you need to apply in the horizontal direction. So you need to see in this way completely. You need to apply the color. Okay, you need to completely apply the color. You need to apply thickly. No water, only color. Okay, no water. If the brush does not move, then only you need to take a little bit of water, very little water, and just to move the brush you need to take a little bit of water. Okay, now okay, so you just need to move the brush. You take more quantity of paint and just do only in one direction, that is horizontal direction. Okay, you can do along with me. Okay, Bindu ma'am, you can do along with me right now if you want, or you can listen and do it afterwards, and you can send me back. You can submit the submission. So take more color and just paint it in an horizontal direction. No water. If the brush does not move, then only you take a little amount of water. Okay, if brush does not move, then only very little amount of water you need to take. Okay, so and this way we need to paint and dry it. Okay, not completely dry, it should dry up. Okay, it should dry up. See, I have painted it 15 minutes back, so it have dried up right now. It have dried up right now. So you can also use some fan to dry up. Now you need to take Fevicol. Yeah, sure, you can take MDF board or cardboard, no problem. No problem, but you need to paint it with an color first. Acrylic color, you need to paint it with an acrylic color. Okay? First in this way, only in one direction. Only in one direction you need to paint the acrylic color. Which color you want, you can paint that color. But actually my canvas is 8 by 10. Your wish, you can take any size of cardboard, depending upon your printout size. See, printout should be like this. It should come here. The printout should come here. See here, only here. Okay. I'll cut this part. See, I'll show you. Already I have done this Buddha wala thing. See. See, in this way we'll get. Okay. So you need to first see. It should come only here. Okay. A small part of your cardboard will be used for printout, and another part we will left it over for another work. Okay, I'll say you for what. So in this way, now take some Fevicol, pour it in the mixing plate. Now after this color dries up, see, this color should dry up. Okay, you start from the one corner and you colored in horizontal way, right? Now you need to do in the vertical way. Okay, so take Fevicol and do it in the vertical way. See, you all can see, right? Sure, you can use cardboard, no problem, no issue, you can use cardboard. So you should paint this Fevicol in the vertical way. See, you all can see, right, what I am doing. You just need to paint this. Take more amount of Fevicol, you'll get a good result. So in this way you need to. So Pavan, see, I have showed you my printout, right? Is it that way? The same way as my printout, that way only is your printout also? The printout should come to the half of the cardboard beta. See, in this way you take, you should do it vertically. Okay, you need to do vertically. Then you can just take 18 to 10 inches only, no problem. If a printout is just as my printout, you can just take 18 to 10 inches cardboard. See, you're understanding, right, what I'm doing? I'm just if you take more amount of Fevicol, then you'll get a better result. Okay, try not to move the Fevicol again and again. Okay, so here completed. Now as pure Fevicol, I'm using pure Fevicol. I did not mix any of like water or anything. I not mix anything. I am just using pure Fevicol. Okay, now I am taking white acrylic color. I am taking white acrylic color. Okay, white acrylic color I am taking. You should not move the pattern of the Fevicol. You just need to apply smoothly in the reverse direction again. See, in the reverse direction means again in the horizontal direction you need to apply this white acrylic. Okay, take more amount of paint and you just need to slowly paint. Before drying only you can do beta, no problem. Before drying only you need to do. You do it fast before it dries only you need to do, then only you will get the effect. I am using white acrylic and I am painting it in the horizontal direction again without disturbing my Fevicol wala thing. Okay, it should not be disturbed. See, you should just apply it smoothly, don't drag it, don't drag the brush. Okay, just apply it smoothly. Okay, before drying only you need to apply. See, you are getting the effect already. See, you can see slowly effects appears, your crackle effect slowly appears. Don't drag the brush, just take more amount of paint and do it smoothly. Okay, and wash your brush. See, already effect is coming, you can see, you people can see. Just dry it up naturally. I suggest to dry up naturally. It takes some time, or you can use a fan. Okay, to dry it up. I'll use a fan because it takes some time. You can use hair dryer or anything to dry it up, but it should like dry naturally only, then only the effect will be more effective. See, you people can see the crackle effect already. It's appearing slowly, slowly it is already appearing. So I'm just drying it with my fan. Okay, let us wait for few minutes. Yeah, it's visible, right? So it will be more visible when it is completely dried. Let me keep it aside and I'll show you. I'll just show you. Let me keep it aside. I'll show you the other one I did. See, you can see this one. See, this in this I have. If you take Fevicol in more quantity, then you will get bigger cracks. If you take Fevicol in less quantity, then you will get a thinner cracks. See, in this you have thinner cracks, right? See, in this you can see thinner cracks. See, in this you can take. Thank you, Pasana. So in this you will get when the Fevicol, if you apply the Fevicol in less quantity, you will get thinner cracks in this way. So when you apply Fevicol in large quantity, like if now I have applied right in large quantity, then you will get effect in large cracks. Okay, so to show the these two variations, I have done this with the low Fevicol. With less Fevicol, I have done this. Okay, so if you use less Fevicol, then you will get thinner cracks. See, you can see, right? Please let me know if you can see or no. Thinner cracks only you will get. If you use less Fevicol, you will get thinner cracks. Okay. So now if you use more Fevicol, you will get bigger cracks. What effect you want, that effect you can choose. If you want thinner cracks, then you can apply small amount of Fevicol, thin layer of Fevicol. If you want bigger cracks, you can apply large amount of Fevicol. Okay. So let it dry, I'll show you. Five minutes, 5 seconds. Okay, I'll just dry it up and I'll show you how to apply this printout over it. Okay, so see, slowly you can see the effect, right? See how the effect is coming slowly. But I suggest you don't dry it up with fan or something, just leave it aside. It will get like it will be more effective. I have touched it. It will be more effective if you don't use fan or anything. Okay, now just take the printout. Now I'll just use this printout. Okay, I'll just use this printout. Scissors, I'll just take a scissors and I'll not cut it in this shape only. I'll just randomly cut it in the shape of that girl. Okay, see, I'll show you. See, here in this way. Sorry, I'm not able to do it here because I'm afraid it will fall on the thing. See, I'm cutting it randomly. Okay, randomly, my wish, I'm just cutting the girl. Okay, just cutting the girl. See, I just cut the girl. See, this also, this one also, I have just cut randomly like this randomly, not in a perfect rectangle. You need to cut whatever, like here, like randomly you can cut in some shape, like a zigzag thing or some curve thing or anything, not in perfect rectangle. Okay, see this one how I have cut it. See, okay. got it right? How to cut the printout. So now it will take some time for my crackle effect to see. Everyone see the crackle effect, right? See, it is coming more and more because it is drying up here. It's coming more here. It did not dry up till. Okay. So now we need to stick the printout in this way. Okay, we need to stick the printout in this way. Okay. So I'll just show the sticking of printout a few minutes later. I'll just write here some sloka or something. I'll just use some my 3D editors. I'm using this gold 3D outliner, and I'll be writing here some Buddha quotient. Okay. See, you can just write in this way over here. So you can see, or no, I'm just writing it over here. I don't know whether you can see or not. Let me dry it up first, otherwise. See, here I am writing in this way. I'll just teach you how to stick this Buddha in few minutes. So here, take a gold glitter and just write some slokas written by Buddha. Okay. This is very simple method of crackle effect. Okay, you can just easily bring this crackle effect. So anyone is doing it with me? Anyone are doing with me? I'm writing understanding is a art and not everyone is an artist. Okay. I'm writing understanding is an art and not everyone is an artist. I'm writing that one. Now you can see, right, what I have written. Understanding is an art and not everyone understands. Okay, so you can just write some slokas and you can just keep it in your home, which will look very beautiful. Okay, so everyone understood, right, how I did this crackle effect? If you have any doubts, please let me know. By the time I'll teach this sticking of this printout on this. If you have any doubts, please ask me. Write a little bit brighter so that it will look beautiful. Okay, so you can just keep some spirals over here this way. So you can just keep spirals. I'm just showing it. With this 3D liner, you can just use the and keep spirals. See, you can see, right? Here with Samhita, I have taken this printout of Buddha and I'll show you the small baby printout also now how to do. We have an half an hour of time, no worries. I have increased my fan level. By the time it dries, I'll just complete one. Okay. You can just keep small spirals over here and there. It will look beautiful. See, everyone is able to see, right, what I am doing. 1 second, I'll lift my camera. Okay. So this is one. So see how it is looking. Please let me know how it is looking now. See. Is it okay? Everyone is able to see it? How it is looking? So simple and easy. You can just hang it over your wall. Okay, this type of slokas and all, you can just hang it over your wall so that it looks beautiful. Okay, so in this way you can use crackle effect and a decoupage method, and you can just frame a beautiful picture. Okay, are you understanding? Are you all bored? I don't know what's happening. Are you understanding, or anyone is bored or any doubt is there? Please let me know. So this is completed. You can also just write, like you can draw a border with 3D outliner, and you can also do this with an gold pearl metallic gold color also. You can just write. I have 3D gold tubes, so I'm just doing this with 3D gold tubes. You can just go for gold metallic colors or anything you want, or acrylic colors will also do, no problem. You can do with anything. I have this 3D metallic gold color, so I'm just cones I am doing with this. Okay, so this is completed. So let us go for the second one. Please give me, yeah, 1 second, ma'am. I'll show with back camera. I'll show with back camera. Please see this one. See, hope you like this. I'll just say how to do this. I'll just say how to do this. Okay. Hope you liked it. See, the effect is coming. See, the effect is coming. See, here this part did not dry up till now, so that's the reason effect is not that good till now. Give me 2 minutes. I'll just dry it up. I'll just dry it up. Give me 2 minutes. So this is how we do crackle effect. This will be very means like it will be very beautiful. You can just draw something on this crackle effect, or else you can do decoupage this way. You can also means like write some name plates on this and keep it outside. You can write your names and all. Thank you, ma'am. Fine, I'll show how to fix this. See, take this printout and just keep it here. See, you can just take Fevicol and mix a little bit of water and use as an Mod Podge, no problem. See, I'm using Mod Podge. Just keep some Mod Podge. Keep some Mod Podge on this. So this is not till dried up, that's the reason I'm just worried about this. So just start from the and just stick it inside and outside also. Stick it inside and outside also. Okay. Stick it with this Mod Podge only. You can just take this Mod Podge in a plate. You can see right how I'm sticking. See, this is same as as this is same as Mod Podge. See this, you can use this Fevicol as Mod Podge. Okay. Slowly you need to stick this one. No gap should come in between. Okay. Please let me know if you are having any doubts. Slowly you need to apply this. Okay. So you all can see the crackle effect, right? How it is coming. Shit. My printout is out. See, after dried up, na, you just need to coat it with this Mod Podge or Fevicol one. You can just coat it up in this way. My crackle effect is not dried up, so I'm not coating it up. See, I just kept it too down, so this printout came down. You people be careful while sticking it, okay? So let it dry up. After drying it up, it will shine. Okay, after drying it up, it will shine. By the time you just need to take white acrylic color ले लो और you just dab it in this way. Just dab it in this way, okay? Sorry, my crackle effect is not dried up. That's the reason it's coming out. Please be careful. Let the crackle effect be dry up first. Then only you do this printout wala thing. Okay. Then only you just need to do this printout wala thing. Okay, are you able to see? See how it is looking now. See, everyone can see, right? So here I'll just write a question or a shloka like about prayer. About prayer I'll write some words and I'll just decorate it up. Okay. The same way I did that Buddha wala one. I'll just do this one also. And another printout which we have taken. See, this also the same way you can do. You can just cut it in this way. Only the flowers and all, you just need to cut it and just you need to stick it carefully. This is what we call decoupage. Like we'll not draw, but we'll just stick a picture or a tissue paper picture on this and make it as if it is a drawn picture. Okay, right? You got it? So this is how we do crackle effect with a decoupage. Okay, so if you people want decoupage class once again, like from basics onwards, I'll again go with it. But this is how we normally do. Now we can just decorate it. See the crackle effect, how it is. See, it did not dry up here till. That's the reason it is like bit messy over here. So see here, it dried up here completely. See how the crackle effect is visible here. See, you can clearly see the crackle effect over here. See? Okay? Everyone can understand, right? Please let me know if you're understanding or you're liked or do not like. Means like this is nice or not nice. Say something please. So that I can understand what you people are understanding or not understanding. I'm not able to know anything. Like you're liking it or not liking it. Stay. Okay, fine. So it will dry up and I'll just write a shloka on it and I'll send you in the group. Hope you all liked it. If there is any issue, please let me know. If there is any doubt or anything, please let me know. Please let me know if you have any doubt. I'll just clarify it. So this is one. So this is one and this is another one. Two. Okay. This is very easy and very simply it will be over, but the time like for only the drying up of the thing, the time takes and it need to be dried up naturally, not by the fan. Please look after that. Then only the crackle effect will be visible very beautifully. Okay. See, because I have dried up with fan, see only the few parts are dried up and crackle effect is visible and few are not visible properly. See here, it did not dry up till now. It is still wet over here. So after it dries up only, I can just write something on it. So hope you all enjoyed the class today. Hope you all understood the class today. I thank you Harsha. Thank you Shravani ma'am. So I'll just complete it after it dries up. I'll just complete it and I'll just post in the group. Okay. So I'll just wind up for today. if you have like any doubts or anything, or if you want any classes regarding, you can just contact me in the group, or personally you can come and ask me, no issues. Okay, you have any doubts, please do ask me. Okay. Okay then, thank you everyone, have a nice day, happy Pongal, have a great day, thank you, bye. I'm ending up the session. Okay, bye.